What if I told you may masarap ng kapihan sa Clark? Ito kasi yung laging tanong sa akin. Madam, saan ba may masarap na kape sa Clark na aesthetic din? Maraming magagalit sa akin pero lagi yung sagot, wala. Either aesthetic lang or may masarap na kape. Apparently, we now have a new cafe in Pampanga that number 1, have a great pour-over coffee, number 2, quality matcha, and most importantly, number 3, aesthetic for everyone to post on their IG stories. Thank goodness, nagbukas na ang second branch ng At the Blank dito sa Clark, Pampanga, located inside Philinvest Mimosa. Alam nyo naman, hindi ako coffee expert, diba? Pero mahilig ako sa masarap na kape. Kaya nung I experienced At the Blank pour-over coffee sa slow bar nila, I must say, this is a type of coffee na babalik-balikan ko kahit walang sweetener. Perfect sa 40 tita of Pampanga. Pero ang mas hindi ko in-expect, yung matcha ni At the Blank. Hindi lang pala basta-bastang matcha yung siniserve nila. They use organic certified matcha that meets Japanese agricultural standards. Kaya iba talaga yung pagka-high quality. I tried their black sesame matcha and for my liking, ito na yata yung the best black sesame matcha na nadikman ko so far dito sa Pampanga. Perfect yung balance ng nutty black sesame at rich matcha flavor. Wala nag-aagawan na lasa, well-balanced, at ang pinaka-importante, hindi ganun katamis, kaya mapapatita, approve ka talaga. Char. At syempre, malaking factor din ang ambience. Pagpasok mo pala, mapapansin mo na agad yung double height space nila with floor-to-ceiling windows. Ang laki tingnan, ang linis ng design, at bawat sulok parang ginawa para aesthetic ang mga posts pag pumunta kayo dito. While I was enjoying both drinks, Luna was busy with her strawberry fruit freeze and chocolate chip cookie. And of course, we couldn't leave without trying At the Blank's burnt cheesecake. Trust me, this one dessert you'll want to order when you visit. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng cafe sa Clark na may masarap na kape, quality matcha, and IG-worthy interiors, this might be your next favorite spot in Clark. Like, share, and follow for more food and travel destinations. See you at the Blank's second branch in Clark, Pampanga.